is the Hyatt in Manila. Here we go. Okay, we're opening the door. And here we are. What? Oh my God. Oh, put the key over here, you turn the lights on. Oh my God, look at this room. This is insane. Oh my God. What is this? Oh my God, look at this TV screen. Oh my God, look at this table. This is amazing. Wait till I show you guys. Oh, look at this. Oh, my bag's here. My bag's here. Oh my God, I gotta stop. They actually brought my luggage, which weighs about a ton. Alright, so let's take a look at the view. Whoa. Oh, look at this view. It's the pool. What a beautiful swimming pool. The thing is, I'm only here for one night. Oh God, I'm just like dumbfounded. This is what I get for getting into the travel hacking game. I'm gonna tell you how much this is gonna cost me for one night. Money out of my pocket? Zero. Absolutely nothing. This is costing me nothing. Look at this bathroom, guys. Look at this huge sink. This is insane. Oh my God. Nice big walk-in shower. Oh my God, look at this bathroom. Look at this bathroom. I love the door, the browns, the tones. Oh my God, this is absolutely beautiful. So I got this place for one night, but I'm gonna be here again. So I'll have it for a few more days. Oh my gosh.
Grace Mo in the house!